Hey everyone, let's talk about staying on track with your nutrition while traveling. It sounds impossible, right? Between meetings, travel delays, hotel stays, it feels like the world's conspiring against you. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's 4 quick tips that even the busiest of schedules can handle. Tip number 1, book a hotel room with a kitchenette or a small refrigerator. This gives you the opportunity to plan ahead for any meals or snacks so you have more control over your options. Otherwise, if your event schedule runs off track, you'll find yourself in a committed relationship with either a vending machine or the hotel lobby staff. If you're only staying overnight, this isn't as big of a deal, but the longer your stay, the more important this becomes. Tip number 2, preview the menu. Take a little time and do your research ahead of time. Google makes this incredibly simple to find the menus of local restaurants in your area. By checking in advance, you avoid the possibility of ending up in a restaurant that only has fried food options or 1,500 calorie plates. CEOs do their homework and you're the one in charge of your body. Tip 3, prioritize protein. You already know that protein is the most filling macronutrient and your body burns more calories breaking down protein than it does carbs or fats. You want to aim for 30 grams of protein per meal, which is roughly 5 ounces of lean chicken, steak, or fish. If you're anticipating challenges or you struggle to get enough protein, having protein powder available is a fantastic option. And tip 4, use the 80-20 rule. So the 80-20 rule is also known as the Pareto principle. You want to stay on track with your nutrition about 80% of the time and don't sweat the other 20%. Consider the other 20% your strategic indulgences. If you're eating 3 meals a day, 7 days a week, that's 21 meals in a week. 20% of that is roughly 4 meals that give you a little bit of latitude. If you're eating 2 meals a day, 7 days a week, that's roughly 14 meals a week. 20% of that is around 3 meals that give you a little bit more freedom. If you're traveling, chances are you're gonna need to use 1 or more of your weekly strategic indulgences. Don't beat yourself up over this and just have a plan to get back on track when you get back home. So there you have it. Kitchenettes and mini fridges, preview the menu, prioritize protein, and the 80-20 rule. These 4 tips can help keep you on track no matter where you go in the world. Life's gonna keep throwing you curveballs. You might as well learn how to hit them.